XRP investors are starting to swiftly move over and start investing in the Swift blockchain. And I'm going to talk about why that is. Now, first, before I start, I want to state this as a fact. I'm a massive XRP bull, but for specific reasons. And some people like the reason, some people don't, but I have been a bull since 2 cents. And I have been out identifying in the last couple of months for my subscribers projects that are going to 10, 20, and 30x over the course of this current cryptocurrency bull run. So I have not sold any of my XRP. As a matter of fact, I'm only accumulating more with the profits that we've been showing people in the last handful of weeks. If you are one of those people, do me a favor and say, I am. If you're one of those people that have been making a lot of money on my trade calls. I want to also state this. So I'm not saying sell your XRP for these things, but XRP investors are moving over the Swift blockchain for a very specific, actually there's a handful of reasons. I'm going to state that in a second. If you're on YouTube and you would like to see my next call, because I've got 3 or 4 coming out in the next 3 or 4 weeks, the link down below to follow me on X. I cannot get over how fast that channel is growing and how many views the videos are getting. Thank you for everybody that's moved over there. Now, here's the deal. XRP has been it's been on a tear, but it's taking a step back right now as it consolidates along with the broader markets. One of the things that most cryptocurrency investors, or even stock investors for that matter of fact, do not take into effect or think about is market cap. If you state how much, when you're telling me how much the token price or a stock price is, I know you're a speculator and not an investor. When you compare market caps of equal or the similar companies to each other, you really do have a much broader, more macro view of the industry. All right. And Swift blockchain. Now think about this. I can't stand centralization, but centralization makes wealthy people a lot of money. And I want to show you how to make money. If you want to learn how to make money, just do me a favor, type make money down below. And the reason why I need to start getting your mind primed to what I'm about to explain to you. I can't stand centralization. I cannot stand the SWIFT system and how America has held its thumb on the rest of the world for a long time. But there are ways to make lots and lots of money from it, and then we can go and buy decentralized things like Bitcoin, like silver, real estate, things like that lead to us being wealthy in and of our own selves, for lack of a better term. Can you imagine? Type 1 if you would have loved to have been a part of the SWIFT code system and get a small percentage of all of the money transferred every nanosecond of the day, 24 hours a day. Just type 1 if you wish that you would have been able to have that kind of opportunity. All right? It's a big deal. I'd be typing 1 like crazy because every time money moves, it makes somebody or a group of people money. Well, that's why we invested in XRP, right? Well, a lot of XRP holders, and I'm not joking, thousands and thousands of them have moved over and looked at a new market cap, a new token that has actually been in development since 2017, 2018, and that's Swift, the Swift blockchain or SWFTCoin. The ticker is SWFTC. If you want to go look at it, do me a favor, everybody, to show people down below. If you own XRP and Swift, can you type XRP and SWFTC down below? And then you're going to be able to prove to everybody that this is not clickbait, okay? Now, the interesting thing about Swift coin is that the founders actually inked an agreement with the Swift code, the Swift system. Right? The company Swift, SWIFT, you know, the reason why the dollar has its hegemony, all of the transfers around the world, they actually inked a deal, and Swift even allowed Swift blockchain to actually copy the color and the slant and everything about their logo. If you don't understand how big of a deal this is, it's a big deal. And as of right now, because I want to show you guys value and how I find value, one of the things is, not only is that agreement one thing, but Swift has got its own massive exchange that's getting only bigger. As of right now, in America, unless you use a VPN, you can't use it. I don't think that's going to be forever. And when that goes into America, it's going to be huge. They're connected over 30 DEXs, and they have some of the most efficient trading routes cross-chain to be able to get you to a place to be able to get the best price. Type 1 if you are so pissed off with centralized exchanges and how expensive the trading fees are, because I can't stand it, right? When you move into DeFi, it gets even worse because of the slippage on the Ethereum network and some other networks. And I know they're better networks, but the truth is a lot of coins and tokens and projects have been launched on the Ethereum network before any others because of its smart contract capabilities. It was the first to market, all right? Well, this is a big, big moment for, I think, a lot of people. Right now, its entire, market cap is sitting at $145 million. In my humble opinion, and I wouldn't take this as financial advice, but type yes or no if you agree with this. I believe in the next 6 months, you're going to see the market cap of SWFTCoin reach $1.5 to $2.5 billion market cap. All right, type yes or no if you agree with that. Right now, it's sitting at 145 market cap, which means this is at minimum, in my opinion, over the next 6 months, a 10x project. That's how you need to value these projects, is what they're doing based on the current market cap and what other projects that have this many eyeballs on it are what they're worth today and into the future. That is one of the most sensible fundamentals that I can explain to you. There are people right now talking about XRP that it is going to $1,000 a year. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but making money is not based off of dreams and hopium, okay? You need to stop smoking that stuff and let's get down to making some real money, okay? XRP is not going to $1,000 this year. Clip that. If it does, cool, because I haven't sold any of mine. But I ain't sitting around trying to plan my life off of fantasies and dreams, okay? I'm going to go show you how to go make 10 times your money right now so that you can take profits. And when I say take profits, let me give you an example. I showed everybody a project XCN. Still own a core position in XCN, but I've taken a stupid amount of profits off the table. A lot of people got into it at 0.02 cents, 20% of 1 penny. It's sitting right now at what? 3.5 cents, give or take. I don't know what the current price is, right? That is a massive move. That's like what, a 15x, I think, if my quick math is there. Taking profit is pulling like double your initial investment back, triple, quadruple, 5 times your initial investment back, and then taking that money and moving it over to another project that people don't have their eyeballs on. And in the last month, I've shown you 4 projects that have exploded at minimum 150%. Now, then you take those profits as you're moving them and diversifying amongst these small market caps as they grow, you start peeling profits off of that and putting it into larger profits or projects like XRP and XLM. Hopefully, say yes or no. Am I getting to you? Am I making sense? This is how you make money. Don't listen to a bunch of pump and dump guys out there with saying, hey, this project's going to $1,000. Do you know what the market cap of XRP would be if tomorrow this person was right? It would blow away everything on earth. Come on. Do you really think that's going to happen tomorrow? See, we got to get you thinking like with a base layer of understanding and knowledge so that you can make good decisions, not bad ones. This is how people lose. And in the next 3 months, this is the greatest opportunity you're ever going to get. Look, I want to remind you about the X channel. I'm going to put out 4 more projects in the next 4 weeks that I believe have incredible potential, and I'm going to share it there. Of course, everyone on my trade groups get it a little bit before X, but hey, I get it, man. There are a lot of people out there that just want free information and they're going to trade off of it. And hopefully what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my free information is going to blow away anything you could ever dream about. But my paid people, they obviously get it a little bit before, but enough to where we're not rocking the boat. The truth is, Ninja Nation is about to rock the entire world with the next 3 asset class cycles. After crypto is going to be 1, second one's going to be precious metals, third one's going to be real estate, and it's going to blow your minds. I'm not joking. There's going to be a day where Ninja Nation members like yourself are going to be on CNBC talking about it. Not me. It's you. As a matter of fact, it's already happening. There are members from Ninja Nation that have started channels that have already been featured on CNBC and Fox. Isn't that crazy? It's awesome. That's what I set out to do a long time ago. Ninja Nation ain't about the economic ninja. It's about a mentality of people that are prepared and they ain't scared. And they're going to go storm the castle and crush it. They're not a bunch of preppers hiding in a cave with their gold bullion waiting for the end to come. No, we're going to go crush it. If you guys want to see what's going on X, and I'm putting a lot more info on X than I do here, and the channel's exploding. I'm not joking. I'll take this same video, you watch, give it 24 hours, look at the views on this, and then go watch what 1/10 of the followers are watching on X, this same video, and that'll prove to you what's happening. The economic ninja has been unleashed on X, and I hope you join me there because I don't need the ad revenue from YouTube or Google. I don't need it from X. What I need is you to go out and be the greatest success story you've ever dreamed about. That's my report card. The Economic Ninja is out.